Fairbourne Railway, Wales, June 2024. Entering the stations through the museum, we see Whippet Quick, a Lister rail truck petrol locomotive, the Lister auto truck. Crossing to the platform, passing the Hunslet diesel shunter Gruel, viewing the diorama in the Rowan Centre. Fortunately, the road sweeper is from the Big Friendly Giant family. Chris Price is a long-time stalwart in the preserved railway community. We thank this fireman for his rescue. Dare we say it, always a cat. Outside, the little shunter Gwirrell is on the move. Work on preserved steam trains never stops, Sherpa undergoing some tender loving care. An 040ST, she's based on the sharp Stuart logos of the Darjeeling Himalaya Railway. .759 Yeo, a 262T is at the rear. Today's coaches need to be brought into service. Slow and steady into the platform. Final checks are made. Today's loco is Russell, a 264T built in 1979. Almost ready to leave the shed. Onto the turntable. A final water top-up. Out to the points. And back down the platform to couple up. Russell, a 264T built by Milner Engineering, Chester. The office. The working parts. Overpressure safety valves, vital to the survival of a steam engine. The all-important whistle. Coal being added to the firebox to ensure there is enough steam. Last check on all lubrication points. Lazy drifts of smoke from the chimney. The driver's tokens. Only when he has these can the driver take the train out into service on the line. Looking back. To looking forward. What do we find our driver doing? Polishing. Trains work really well when they are all shiny. Right away granted. Whistle warning. Start opening the regulator.
Come around again.
We're back in that autumn. We're coming for the lead.
Okay.
Let's see that again from another angle. The drive mechanism clickety-clacks us on our trip. Over a couple of level crossings. A look towards the back. That's me in the lead coach controlling my 360 camera, doing all the monitoring on the screen of my mobile. At base on the 2 miles of 15-inch gauge track between Fairbourne and the turnback opposite Barmouth. Please relax and enjoy the sounds and the scenery. It's a grand view from the lead coach. A short whistle to let the walkers know Russell is coming. Through the tunnel from on board the train. The view across the river Mawddach to Barmouth and out to sea. The train pulls into the Mawddach Estuary terminal. There is a ferry here which will take you across to Barmouth. We hopped across to have a lunch of lobster before resuming our rail adventure. Up to the points to run Russell around to come back on the carriages to take the trip home, chimney first. Essential that the fireman tops up the coal bunker for the return to our starting point. Russell is eased back onto the carriages to couple. Passengers all aboard. Our guard gives the authority to start out. Silence while you absorb the views. Russell's time in the public eye is done. However, he and the team who look after him have plenty more to do, as they safely move all the rolling stock into the sheds. Russell is moved onto the turntable.
Stay on, yeah? Yeah, just go on. I'll spin you around.
Cola, the station cat, takes the time to stroll into frame. Always a cat. Well, when we get lucky. The carriage shed doors are wide open for Gwyrrell to shunt the carriages in for the night. controlled by hand signals as the driver cannot see all the way back. Into the shed, the day is over. Thanks to Murray, Tom, Alex and Steve for making this an enjoyable visit to Fairbourne Railway. A few snaps to take you back to 2008 before I started video work. Sherpa is the loco of the day back then.